Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find activation key on Steam. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to find the activation key on your Steam account so that you can use this on your Ubisoft account, well, this one's fairly easy. Now, just to give you some idea, sometimes the keys will not be available depending on the game. Sometimes you don't need that, and if Ubisoft really needs it, you should be able to see it later on. So yeah. First things first, you want to open up Steam here, and you want to go and log in into your account. Now from here, you want to go and click on Library at the top section here, so you have 4 options. So you can click on Library. Now inside Library here, you want to look for the game that you want to use the keys on. So as an example, just to give some idea, you just need to choose the game in here. Like for example, this one, let's go and right click on it, and you want to go and just hover over Manage. Now, like what I said before, depending on the game, sometimes the option may be available or not available. Now, if you hover in options here, you should be able to see an option that says CD keys. Again, if you don't see it, it means that the game does not need the keys, or Ubisoft does not need the keys, so you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, so in this case, you want to go and click on the CD keys in here, and you should be able to see a pop-up, which in this case, you can go and just copy the code. Now, once you did copy the code, you want to go open up Ubisoft. So this is Ubisoft. You want to go to the top left here, click on your name, and you want to go and click on key activation, and you want to go and just basically paste the activation code here, click on activate, and you should pretty much be good to go. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.